Mel 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe.
Tara Valencia, Philippines!
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! At this moment mapapanood po natin ang full winning performance ni Miss Supranational Philippines Tara Valencia, and congratulations for winning the third runner-up in the Miss Supranational 2025 competition. Let's watch this!
Tara Valencia, Philippines!
Talaga namang ipinagmamalaking ipakita ni Miss Philippines Tara Valencia ang kanyang ganda at galing sa Miss Supranational 2025 competition. Halo't higit nang makarating siya sa swimsuit round kung saan makikita mo na talagang angat na angat ang kagandahan ng Pilipina Beauty Queen. And now at this moment sa Q&A round ay talagang ibinigay ng ating kandidata ang kanyang galing.
Philippines, you are up.
This journey changed me. It has strengthened my vision and aspiration of letting Filipino excellence shine through me as your next Miss Supranational. And that is to inspire, to serve, and to show you what this Filipina can do. And I can't wait to embark this super journey with you. Dziękuję.
Sa evening gown segment naman ay makikitang glamorosa at elegante ang Filipina Beauty Queen na talagang makikitang laging nangunguna sa pinakamataas ang scores sa lahat ng mga kandidata. Hindi lang dahil sa kanyang ganda, kundi sa kanyang galing ng pagdadala.
Philippines!
And thank you, Miss Puerto Rico. Next up, we have Philippines. And Philippines, your question is, many young people today struggle with confidence and self-worth. What advice would you give them to help them embrace who they are?
A lot of individuals would always bring you down. But I say this because I experienced this. But I was able to battle this by giving myself positive affirmations such as I am worthy, I am capable, and I can do anything through my power and through my own voice. And that's what every individual should do to have their own self-worth. Thank you.
Philippines! And Puerto Rico!
After the result of the Miss Supranational 2025 competition ay kinurunahan niya bilang third runner-up si Miss Supranational Philippines Tara Valencia. Muli ang buong Pilipinas ay nagbubunyi at nagpapasalamat sa napakagandang laban na ibinigay ng Pilipinas para sa Miss Supranational 2025. And of course, we can't wait na muli ay isang magandang laban ang ibigay ng ating susunod na pambato for Miss Supranational 2026. Patuloy po tayong magbibigay ng lahat ng mga updates para sa ating mga Pinay Beauty Queens, kaya't huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa channel na ito. Maraming salamat po at patuloy lamang nating suportahan ang lahat ng mga Pinay Beauty Queens na nagbibigay karangalan para sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Magkita tayong muli.